And all the students, I request only to cooperate. Mutually, we will cooperate. If any issues, please bring to our notice. And okay, we'll try like this. So please help us to improve, but not in a negative way, but only in a what we can call it as in a perfect way. We can tell instead of word we are using positive is getting like very vibration. So we'll go in a perfect way. Okay. So kindly cooperate with us. So here this is the basic principle of the Stirling engine, and also this video is shared with you all. And next one in the next thing we can check it out. What is the solar? How the solar cell is going to work? How the solar cell is going to work? So in that video, while playing that video, you will be understanding how the solar cell is going to work. Here you can see how many YouTube videos we have opened for you, how many videos we are planning, and we are must complete in 15 to 20 minutes so that the student won't get bored. And also we are recording it for yourself, by ourselves for you. So here once we play this, so here we'll have we can see the angles here. So we can play the video. Once you will understand. So here we can see how the solar cell is going to work and the radiation and the angles we are keeping here, and also how the each and every part of the solar cell is working. We can check it out here. This is the video of the solar cells, ma. The sun is showing the desert with the sun. If you can give fast forward, we can check it out easily. We can fast forward with the 2 speed also, we can continue. Sand plus carbon is called as how we are making the raw silicon. He's trying to explain how the solar cells, so in the solar cell, what is the material? Sand and the things which are having, they are mixing it and forming into the carbon. They are mixing the sand and the carbon to form the silica particles so that it will be easily absorbing more amount of heat. So the material used is silica, how it is going to use, and also how solar cell is going to prepare. That is what he's trying to show here in a detailed way, in a what we call it like the molecular level, at the base level. Oh. Okay, next one. While going into the next one, he will be explaining in a very interesting way. This is the best video, so that this video was taken because it will be easily understanding for everybody. If you watch the video also, you won't get bored off. You will be understanding what is the concept here and all the things. Next one, we can go to the next one. Here how the electric field and also what is happening in this electric field. Driving force, what is the driving force we are getting, where we are having the thing, how we are going to generate the electricity. He's trying to tell. I think EC triple students will be able to understand it very easily. With the audio, we can watch it. It will be very helpful. So this is the simple, we call it as like molecular level, where we are going in and explain, and also trying to show you the functioning of the solar cell, so that you will be understanding from the base. This is the main point in the solar energy. Here electron hole pair generation is trying to tell. Next one, if you go to the forward one, if you go to the next thing, next, you can go to the next one up to 4. So here we call it as the potential difference is there. Potential difference, and also the current flow is going to take place here. We can see it here, how the current flow is going to take place, and also how the electricity is going to generate. So coming to the solar cell is trying the particles where he is telling heavily doped and the lightly doped ones is trying to explain you. And next coming to the 5.3 or like that, we can go move forward. Moving forward, we'll be understanding the concepts. Still we can move forward up to 6 minutes. So here this is the basic working principle of the solar cell. So here in this video, why I am not telling you the complete logic is, so in the recording we'll be showing the video, we'll be sharing the link, and we'll showing the functioning of it, so that you will be understanding the concept here. You will understand the concept here, and in the live classes we can interact with each other, and also if the explanation is done at the particular point of time, it will be helpful for the faculty. I request every student to go through the recording sessions as well as the links shared to you, so that you will be understanding in the live classes, sir, in the solar cell, what is the doubt, like that we can get back to the classes in the interacting one, because classes will take place for 25 minutes and the recording will play for 15 to 20 minutes. So completely 40 to 45, and the 15 minutes we can have the doubt session. So that what is the material we are having, we are seeing this. And all the things are explained in this particular thing. And also we are having one more extraordinary video of the solar cells where we'll have the simple basic knowledge. That one we'll show in the live class again. This is the basic theory part what we are having in that, so in these things. So here is mentioned the cost and everything he has mentioned. So now here we are talking about the solar cells. Solar radiation is going to come here, so that we are keeping some angles and all the things we are seeing here, how they are going to generate the power. This setup we can see this one. Very easily we can understand. But the angle, at what angle, what radiation is coming, how to calculate that one, can we do that one? Or at least can we check that with a calculator? If you're having some calculator, sir, I'm keeping this plate as this particular thing. So I can have the calculator, I can see how much radiation is coming, at what angle I can keep. So can we check that one? Yes, we can do it. We can do it. We are having a solar irradiance calculator, which is there in the net. I'll be showing you that in the only in the next 1 minute. So this is the data what we are having, the solar irradiance calculator. So here you can check it out. Here we are having the solar electricity handbook. Here in the top tab, we are having so many things. Top tab once still above the so here in this one you can check it out. Here we will be, so in this thing we'll have online calculators, solar incentives, what are the solar incentives, and also next one is additional resources, solar questions, and also ask me a question. So this is the thing which we are having in this, we call it as solar electricity handbook. So in this thing you can check it out. Solar irradiance is a measure of, so the definition is given here, is a measure of how much solar power you are getting at your location. This irradiance varies throughout the year depending upon the seasons. How to check the calculator? Now we are coming down and we will see the working of the calculator now. Solar irradiance. So suppose we are selecting the country. Now we are going to, so the data is fixed here. So again we can check it out. So okay, please select, we will select the country India, and we'll select the country town of your choice, Hyderabad. And here if we drop down, please select facing directly south. So here we are having different angles, directly south once. So we can check this data here, and also if we go somewhat above here, the vertical surface, and also at what angles we are getting. So in the January we can check it out. In January, February, March, April, May. So we can see the data also with our own. We can feel it. We call it as like simulation. Simulation things. We can feel it where we are getting the which month we are getting the maximum. March, April, May. We are having the summer season. That's the reason we can see maximum of the irradiance or the solar power we are getting onto that one at an angle of, so at what angle we are going to keep west south. We kept that angle west south. So please go up, we can check it out. What is the angle we selected? To the bottom ones. So these are the optimal year round, adjusted throughout the year. Flat surface and 58 degrees angle and at 88 degrees angle, best summer performance, best winter performance. So winter the angle is different and the summer the angle is different, and we call it as a flat surface. We are having these three things. So once for the random check, we'll select the option as facing south completely. So once select the facing south completely. So here this is the west south we are taking. First one is okay, southwest we have taken the data. So again you can check it out, come down. We can see the difference of that one. Mostly it is in India, we can see like these are the points where we are having in Hyderabad. Most of the times it will be, we have selected southwest and south and north, we can select like this. So once if we can want to see any other country, like suppose we'll say we'll go for USA once. We'll go for USA and check the town and city. So here India is there. Instead of that, we can go for USA or any other state or any other country. United States, and here we'll select the state California, C, California. Okay, we'll go for California. C. Okay, good. Here select any one city of your choice. Long Beach is okay. Los Angeles, okay, good. Okay, good. So here coming down, they are asking what is the panel direction. So here you can observe, here the panel directions are very less when compared to other things. So here we are taking it as south. So here come down, here you can check the radiation data is somewhat different when compared to that. So in the May, June, July, here the data is more, and also the maximum one is at August. But for India it is March, April, May, but here it is June, July and August. So here the angle is 41 degrees and 71 degrees. In our country, we are having 58 degrees and also 88 degrees. I think everybody can understand this concept. So this is a calculator where you can simulate your own and also check at what thing we are going to get these things. So this is the Los Angeles average insulation figure. So this is the link which we can identify it by the faculty, because the faculty will understand where to find it. And simply we can't ask the student, okay, bring me that irradiance calculator. I want to check this country like that. So it's the fault. So, but the faculty must share you this link, and after this, the simulation must be done. And also, so we'll show the examples. And if any doubts on that one, the student must work on this and also get faculty. Okay. So I expect, like we call it like mutual cooperation from everybody. Okay, thank you all. So today we have covered Breton, Stirling. Next one is the solar cell, and next one is the solar irradiance calculator, the simulation part we have done here. It is the most important thing we can do so that we can understand the solar energy. This is for unit 2. Okay, thank you all.